and welcome to our final Advent craft. Today we're going to be making a centerpiece for your Christmas table. So let's get started. So to start making your centerpiece, you're going to need some kind of vessel to put the piece in. I chose a wooden box that looked kind of, worn and distressed because that's what's in right now. You're going to need some styrofoam to put your different, whatever type you want to put in, different types of greens. I chose some eucalyptus, and then you're going to need any kind of candle. You can use a pillar candle, which I found at Hobby Lobby for super cheap, 2 of them. Some kind of ornament looking, zhuzh, bling, as you will, ribbon, and pine cones I happened just to find from walking past the dollar bins at Target. And I have put all of them on floral picks. So you're gonna need those too. Wire cutters, scissors, the basics that you need to start crafting. First, you're going to take your styrofoam. I have small pieces just so I can rearrange and put them in there. You're gonna glue them down. So here's one, right through the center of your vessel, of your whatever you're using. A lot of times I like to use old pottery and stuff, old china, fun stuff like that to do centerpieces with. So I put my third piece in there. And you don't glue down your candle, you kind of just sit it there so you can place the other greens around there. If you wanted to put flowers in there, you could, poinsettias, whatever holiday flower you're looking for. Right now, Michael's has them all on sale. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So I'm gonna start, when you start doing this, you wanna make sure that you're adjusting the size of it. So if you want it big, you can make it big. If you want it small, you can have it small. And these are the greens to put in to kind of fill it. And then afterwards you put the fun stuff in. So work from one side, then the next side, just so you're covering, you're kind of not putting all of your greens in one spot, because that won't look pretty. So then we're gonna move this all in. Just kind of rearrange this a little bit and kind of cover in. I like to move my box around or my vessel around so I can see from every angle. If I'm missing something else needs a little bit more. And again, play some good music. Listen to some fun holiday music maybe. And then just start greening it up and putting fun stuff in there. I chose these because they were out right now, really. But if you have other stuff, it'll work just fine too. So I've started in the middle to kind of start getting that covered. And then I'm gonna work my way out. So, some more of the eucalyptus. It's shiny. Who doesn't love shiny? And then you just kind of want to make sure that they're even and put out, so you're not putting all your holly leaves over here and all of your eucalyptus over here. And then if you wanted to put poinsettias in there, you can fit them in. I just made a lot of the bulbs and the pine cones that I happen to find at the dollar bins. And I made a lot of these little half ribbons. So for these, you're going to take a stick, one of your floral picks, take your bulb, you're going to put a little bit of hot glue right in here, and then I just stick the stick down into the bulb, and there you have it. Super easy, super cheap, that you can just start plugging in. and filling in the other gaps that you have from the greenery. So I'm gonna stick a piece of ribbon here, and all I did for the ribbon was cut maybe a 3-inch piece, cut it, folded it in half, and on the floral wire, you're going to have the floral pick, you have some wire, and you just wrap it around. Super, super easy, super, super fun. And you can use whatever ribbon you happen to have laying around, because that's what I did. And I really wanted to do a pretty Christmassy looking one. And then fill in with, and the cool thing about this, you can take it out, you're like, oh, I don't like that. I'm gonna move it over here to give it a little more space. And try not to put all of the bulbs in like one spot or all of the same color in one spot, because that doesn't look pretty. Nobody likes that. I have these pine cones that you just glue at the bottom, like so. And then you just kind of put the stick. You will have to hold it and wait for it to cool down and dry, but super easy. Again, super cheap. You just happen to have some of these, or you're walking past the dollar bins like I was. And then I'm gonna keep going. And that's it. This is our centerpiece for our table for Christmas dinner. And everybody's gonna be like, oh, that's so cool, you made that yourself? That's the best part about crafting. People are like, whoa, you did that yourself? I like it. I hope you've enjoyed our Advent crafting series as much as I have. If you would like to see all of the videos, please visit our YouTube channel and have a happy Advent.